everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and comment below. For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to multiply numbers by drawing lines and counting dots. And now, I'll be giving you some examples. Let's say 12 is multiplied with 13. So we will just make use of lines. So we will be using diagonal lines. So for 12, 1 stands for this one, and then 2 lines. So this will be the ones place and the tens place. So 12 times 13. This time we will do the opposite diagonal for this line. So 13, 1, and then 3. After that one, we will just count the points where the two lines intersect. This one. And we will just count the number of intersecting points. So this will be our ones place. This will be the tens place of our answer, and this will be the hundreds place. So we will be counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for our tens place, 1, 2, you also count the one below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for our hundreds place, 1. So that means 12 times 13 is equal to 156. So by using lines and counting the dots, you can already find the product when you are multiplying numbers. I'll be giving you another example. What if 42 times 31? So again, we'll just make use of diagonal lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 1, 2. So that stands for 42 times 31. 1, 2, 3, and just 1 here. So after that one, you will just count the number of intersection points. So 1 here, this one, and also this one, and on this side also we have this point. And as what I've said, this will be for our ones place, this will be for the tens place, and this will be for the hundreds place. So we will just count it now. So we have 1, 2. Then for the tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since it's 10, it will be 0 here. And we put 1 here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1 here, 13. So that means 42 times 31 is equal to 1,302. Next example is what if we are multiplying 52 times 34. So first, draw diagonal lines for 52. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 1, 2, and then for 34, 1, 2, 3, and you also have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, you just count the points here for the 10, for the ones place rather. This one for the tens, and this one for the hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's for the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 6 here. Then put 2 on the next place, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus 2 is 17. So that means 52 times 34 is equal to 1,768. Next example, what if we are multiplying 33 times 22? So first, do diagonal lines for 33. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then for 22, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we just have to count the intersecting points there. 1, this one. So this will be our ones place for the answer. This one will be for our tens place. And finally, these points here will be our hundreds place. So we just count now the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for the tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Since it's more than 10, so 2 here, 1 in the next place, on the hundreds place, and then count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 1 is 7. So there you will get 33 times 22 equals 726. So by making use of lines and counting the dots, you can already find the product of two numbers. So I hope that you find this video interesting and you learned something from it. And watch out for more math tutorial videos, guys, and see you again next time. Thank you for watching.